My name's Hunter Dayton. I work for Boyce Products in Damascus, Pennsylvania.
Bernard Schweier, they call me Bernie.
Jared Smith.
It's really cool to see everything come together once parts are made and once everything gets to be put together and figure out, oh, that's how that works.
Of course, you have to have some intelligence, some training, and mechanical ability.
I loved woodworking, so I started out down in the wood shop, and then they bumped me around from there.
They were developing motor controls up in New York. When the Jets are playing, drop down the different banners, and they were making a lot of these, and they needed help. And 5 years later, I have my own department.
There's a lot of things that they don't teach in school that would make life a lot easier, to just, like I said, working with your hands, to knowing how to turn wrenches.